Our journey began in Mudgee, New South Wales, with much of the day spent on a working cattle property famous for its red Angus beef. On our way back to the homestead, we were taken to a spot with a great view, so we could really get an idea of the size of the property.
That's all I'm buying. Beautiful timber, it's hard to cut. I hope you're enjoying.
I am, it's really nice. It's good to get out of the city.
He goes for a lot of trouble. Look at the feeding it.
Toe bars in the mud. There's no more backwards then.
Walk in, boys. Push up.
They're calm like that because they don't know what's happening. Someone patting them on the back. As soon as you put that squeeze on, the animal just becomes so much calmer.
He's dragging the soil and compacting the soil for a dam.
Michael's just coming through now.
Oh, copy, thank you. Yeah, there's a few cattle left and right, but they seem pretty road-wise.
On day 2, we continued towards Lightning Ridge, passing through the Warrumbungle National Park, Coonamble and Walgett.
We should call into Emiologic here. Phil and Penny have been running this emu farm for about a decade or so.
That is so scary.
They're very cute. I would not be in there with you.
Tell them down the female, they just want to be the dominant one.
She's a bit slippery over the left, guys. Don't get too far left.
After a hearty breakfast at the Busy Bee Cafe, we headed over to Mel and Susie's for some local hospitality.
Thank you.
Back then, Reggie was a lawless town. All the minds of the world came here.
Mum got out upstairs and I said, you've got to come back this way. And he found a pocket here, so that's why I run that way, like that. And this crossroad came in there and there. Then under there, there's about 3 or 4 lines. There's a line there, line there, line there. But I put one in through my finger the other day, so
Oh, you don't want it too sharp.
Too sharp.
Wow.
That's pretty good.
Day 4 started with a short run out to the very popular attraction, the Chambers of the Black Hand.
Amazing. You spend a lot of time down here anyway.
The actual knife he did every one of the carvings you'll see today is in our showroom, and we'll point that out to you when you come back around. For other styles and textures, he would use a fork at times. He went through about 5 or 6 forks, but he only ever used one knife.
After lunch, we visited down-to-earth opals.
Oh, that's beautiful. Great story, great stone, and who wouldn't want to own an opal that comes from Millionaire's Gully?
There we go. Look at the beautiful red colours in there.
The fiery red colours on one side and the rich blue on the reverse side, and the potch is running through the middle.
Simmo's tours, eh?
Yeah. Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, that's unreal.
Beautiful, that's great.
Thank you.
No, I love the gin.
So my tricks come and go from that little hole in the wall there.
In this paddock, we've got a bull and some heifers and some feral goats.
moments later.
Well and truly bogged.
I should have lowered those pressures.
Yeah, they work very hard in a head sea. Very hard riding.
On our way back to town, one of our cars got stuck in the mud while moving left to make way for an oncoming vehicle.
Okay, thanks.
Coming down.
On our last day, we finished up our engagements in Lightning Ridge and headed off to Dubbo.
I'm a freeform cutter, so I cut to whatever shape the opal wants to be.
You probably recognised you, Simmo.
Oh, you didn't want to go through the wet bit. Oh, Michael!